name is Dave Trujillo. I am already finished here in Hartnell. I'm already transferring this fall to CSULA to study film. I think like the one thing I have in common throughout every film that I watch is just the story. I just love the story, and like how you just write this simple little script and then like all the visuals afterwards. I think that's what I think is important. I figured like maybe I should give something back and like help out like a next generation of kids to follow their dreams like in film.
I am Jennifer. I'll be a junior. I like painting. I also like graphic design, editing pictures, fashion designing. Yeah, or film too. I think that's pretty interesting, but especially fashion design. Experience on editing videos because it's something I really want to learn. I love art. I learned a lot because I didn't know anything at all about Final Cut Pro, and now I can. I know a lot about like transitions, like effects to add on a slide, the volume, how to control that, and just how to edit a video. Something that I want for not just for me but for everybody. But at the end, when it's about my dream, that's something I want for myself. But like hope, faith, and love, I want that for like my whole community.
Salt and indigo all around, mirrors in the sun, slaves go blind for the sake of gold, and titles they died, so the price was finally paid, the head was never found. From below we will rise, we will rise. From below we will rise, we will rise. Once in colors, the desert was raised like an echo of time stands along the silver tree, and the story it tells that I've solved is sea.
My name is Danae Webster, and I'll be a junior. Well, right now I just like my electives, which is drama. Well, because I've never really done anything with like editing videos and stuff like that, and I thought it'd be like a really cool new experience. Like a couple years back, I got really interested in photography, and I got a new camera and everything, and I was like, oh, I'm totally gonna do this when I grow up and everything. And then it kind of just like faded away, but now it's kind of starting to come back. I really like drama, scary kind of stories, it makes it interesting. Not always true, but like it has like a true kind of feeling like, oh, that could be real, like ghost stories and stuff like that. New friends and the whole experience of doing this like through college and everything like that. and learning new stuff about filming, and maybe I can get more passionate about it. I learned a lot about teamwork, definitely, and also Final Cut Pro and learning how to use that and everything. That I really do enjoy doing this, and so it might be something that I want to pursue in my career later on. I'm not too sure what I want to be in the future, but I know that as I continue to go forward, I'll figure out who I want to be and stuff.
My name is Gabe Gallo, and this fall I'm going to be a senior at North Salinas High School. I don't really have a favorite, but I like taking things from math and English. I've actually taken a lot of stuff involving media, other forms of media like journalism and photography was another class and I've also taken an ROP class for media. So this was something that piqued my interest, so I decided to see what I can take back from this experience. Probably a greater understanding of video editing. That's one thing that I wasn't so good at, that I kind of wanted to improve myself on. Something in the media, probably either journalism or photography. I've taken a lot back from the courses I've had. I've done a class with Peter Funt and for my journalism, so he really inspired me. And if I didn't see myself doing anything with journalism, I'd probably be a lawyer. I think I've learned about the importance of storyboarding was a big thing. Other than that, I learned a lot of different techniques for editing and how you can utilize stuff like transitions to help add another depth to a scene. Seeing myself doing something that I like doing, just how I would interpret myself being successful in 10 years would probably be the best way to phrase it.
They're so self-reliant. Like, they didn't name me that much. That's the thing. Like they could just pick it up so fast and they could just go roll with it. It's just awesome. Just watch it. It's self-explanatory. You just gotta watch the video first.
purpose of agriculture is to feed the people. Over the years, agriculture has evolved to be increasingly sophisticated in fulfilling this function. Today, technology plays a major role in agriculture. Many aspects of the new business of agriculture require a much greater understanding of technologies of all kinds. Salinas, the salad bowl of the world, is a major developmental center of agricultural technology. The industry generates over $4 billion a year and creates enormous opportunities for people to find exciting and fulfilling jobs.
My name is Al Perlini, and I'm the general manager at Coastal Tractor. Been with the organization approximately 7 years, and we sell, service, and supply parts for the various farmers throughout the valley. And the service department requires capable, qualified technicians to repair any machine that may be broken down.
My name is Ken Madrid, and I'm a technician here at Coastal Tractor. I'm working on the cylinder head, replacing some of the injector pre-cups, and rolling in rod bearings in the bottom end.
My name is Peter DeGroot, and I'm the engineering manager. So we've got the fabrication side, the welding, the putting metal together, and knowing systems, hydraulics, electronics, and computer control of these machines.
Jason Tracy, I'm an engineer here at Valley Fab. I helped design the software for the drive system. It converts a steering signal into joystick signal into pump output signals. I help do that, and I also do some design work on it.
I'm Monica Trujillo, and I work here at RCR, and I'm our water jet operator primarily. And I also do online sales and welding when called for. So we do everything from, like, right now we're doing a structural job on a pier up in San Francisco. We're making scaffolding for them. And then we have people who come in and want a nice fence or a gate or a fountain. When I get a chance to put in my own creative input, that's the most satisfaction, and that's when I get really excited.
It's constantly evolving. Like every year they come out with new tractors, new technology. It's you're always learning something new.
Everything in agriculture is getting bigger, heavier, and everyone's looking for increased productivity out of their people that they employ.
All the engines, the diesel engines that are being used nowadays are electronically controlled, and they're serviced, and you troubleshoot them by plugging in a laptop. So more and more the industry is dependent on good computer skills.
And computer application is as equally important on the tractors, because just as an automobile or a pickup has a growing number of computers in its functions, the same is true for the tractors. And to become computer literate and computer savvy is a primary requirement in today's shop.
Learn how to use a computer and learn how to use it well, because everything now revolves around computers, you know, from cars to agricultural equipment. Everything runs on computers, so you need to know how to use them.
Just keep an open mind and learn as much as you can. Familiarize yourself with, like, you know, as many machines as you can. The more things you can do, the easier it is for you to kind of troubleshoot, and the more excited you'll get.
Yeah, if you like mechanical things and you have or fabrication, and if you like that and you have computer skills, there's a place for you.
So all of those things are extremely important. The desire to serve, the desire to get to know people and work with people, but more importantly, having a good mechanical background.
You don't just have to sit in front of your computer all day. You get to go out to the field occasionally. Lots of different projects you work on. Doing new things every day. Like, I've always been afraid of having a job that's kind of going to be a rut and always do the same thing every day. So it's really nice that this job we do everything. We just do everything, and I love it.